Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to format a new hard drive. If you're installing a new hard drive, or if you have an old hard drive that just won't work or needs to be wiped, you can format it. Very first thing we're going to do is go to my PC, find all of my hard drives. This one, these two are the same. These are both the USB drive that I have plugged in. So what I can do is I'll right click, go down to format, and on this one I want to restore it to device defaults. So I'll click that button, and then I can name it. And then click start. And it's going to tell you that if you format it, it's going to erase all the data on that hard drive. Click OK. Alright, and format is complete. Let's see. Yep, see now it's wiped. So I can double click on it and the folder's empty. So now I can do the same thing with this one. I'm going to restore it to default. Format complete. Alright. See now I've got 3.4 gigs in this partition and 255 meg in this partition. So what I can also do now is I can go to control panel, create and format hard disk partitions. This is your disk management. You can also click run or just type disk management and it'll pop up. This is Windows 10. Alright, and then I can scroll down to my USB stick. Now you see there's 10 gigs on this USB stick that's unallocated. That's because I was using this USB drive to install an operating system. So what I can do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on the unallocated space. Click new simple volume. This is going to allow this partition to be usable, because right now this 10.76 gigs, if I go to my PC, it's actually not showing up on this because it's unallocated space. And like I said, this USB stick was partitioned for installation of an operating system. That's why it's got 3 partitions on it. So I'll click on the unallocated space, new simple volume, next, maximum disk space is going to be that 10 gigs. Next, I can name it any letter that I desire. So let's go with Q on this one. Actually, let's go with B. All right. And then we're going to leave that blank. Just click next. It's going to make it a FAT32. This is a USB drive. And then you can name it like USB stick is what I'm going to name this one. Next and finish. All right, now you see now it turned blue and it says healthy primary partition. And now I've got 10.7 gigs on this partition, 3.4 on this, and 256 meg on this partition. So now let's see if it'll show up in my PC. Yep, there it is, USB stick B. So that's how you format a hard drive or USB drive, and that's how you create a new simple volume for any unused partitions. And now I can store stuff on this USB drive. I can use it for whatever I need to. And the same goes for any hard drives. Hard drives are going to be the same. If I want to format this hard drive, click on format. Capacity is 110 gigs. and then I can do however big it is. I can allocate that much space to that partition, and then click start, just like I did on the USB drive. And that's going to be how you format a new hard drive and how you create a new simple volume. So if you guys like the video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, because just about every week I'm going to be releasing a new how-to video on how to do simple PC repairs. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.